What's up, guys? I go by the name DJ KAYWISE, aka DJ KAYWISE Joe, aka the drummer boy, aka Kirie, aka the king of the streets, aka.
Kedu ka unu mere? Aha m bụ DJ KAYWISE, aka DJ KAYWISE Joe, aka aka na-eti igba, aka unu amarugona. Ezigbo aha m bụ Kehinde Ayorinde Okiki. Esi m Osun State, mana abụ m na Lagos. Abụ m onye DJ, onye na-akụkwa egwu, abụkwa m onye nkụzi egwu, onye nkọwa egwu na onye na-azụkwa ahịa. Ana m ekele ndị na-ekiri m n'oge a, ka Chineke gọzie unu.
I'm just me, so big shout out to all my fans all around the world watching right now. God bless you. Stay tuned. Being a public figure, celebrity, or being in the industry, I think the positive thing is, yes, you have more fan base and you have people that don't know you from anywhere, but they just like your music, they like your person, the kind of person you are, or what they say on social media. You know, it grows you.
Ịbụ onye ama ama bụ onye na-akụ egwu, ihe mbụ dị na ya bụ inwe ndị na-esonye gị, ya bụ ndị na-amaghị ma ọ bụ ndị ịma, mana ihe dị oke mkpa bụ na ha ga-ahụ egwu gị n'anya, ma hụkwa onye ịbụ n'anya. Mana social media ọ ga-enyere gị aka ibupụta onwe gị n'obodo, nyekwara gị aka ịhụ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ gị na ha na-azụkọ ahịa. Mana echefula na anyị niile bụ mmadụ, maka mgbe ụfọdụ anyị na-adahie, nke ahụ bụ ọghọm anyị na-enweta. N'ịchịkọta, echeghị m na m ga-abụ DJ KAYWISE n'ụbọchị taa. Ọ na-enye m obi aṅụrị, mana mgbe ụfọdụ ana m enwe ohere nke aka m, mana ihe ọbụla Chineke si na ọ ga-abụ, ihe ahụ ka ọ ga-abụ.
That's just the close around it, but generally it's life, and we've chosen this path. I'm DJ KAYWISE. I never thought when I was small, I know I was going to be big, but I never thought it was going to be this big. And sometimes when I walk out from the street and I see people shouting my name, it gives me joy, but sometimes I don't have my freedom sometimes too. But at the end of the day, it's what God said it's going to be. And we're out here also making the best use of it to feed our families. That's what's up. For me as a DJ, what has happened to me from way back, let's say 9 years when I started this industry, when I started being in the industry, I think it was difficult from the beginning. You know, from the beginning, nothing good comes easy, like they say. I got a lot of obstacles, a lot of people turned me down, a lot of people lash at me, saying I cannot make it or I cannot get far without them. You know, I had to prove, myself, and I'm always following my dreams. You know, I have a goal every day when I wake up. I want to be something, I want to be better than yesterday. So that's my drive, that's what kept me this far, in the industry. Yes, you might see that I'm young and all that. I started when I was probably 15, 16.
Otu a bụ DJ, ihe m megoro n'afọ 9 gara aga ka m bidoro gụwa egwu. Echeghị m na o siri ike, mana o nweghị ihe ọma ọbụla na-abịa ka isi chee ya. Enwere m ihe ọgbọtụ ihe dị iche iche. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ chere m ọchị sị na m ga-eto ka ha si chee, ma ọ bụrụ na ha etinyeghị aka na ihe ọbụla m na-eme, mana ege m ha ntị maka na ama m ihe m chọrọ ịbụ n'ụwa a. Ebidoro m ikpe ekpere n'afọ 15, n'afọ 16, mana kịta abụrụgo m onye ama ama. Ebidoro m mgbe m dị na nwatakịrị, maka na arụwago m nrọ ya kamgbe. Mana ihe ọma dị na ya bụ ka ihe niile mesịrị, abụ m onye ama ama, nakwa enwego m ebe ndị mmadụ na-eje enwe obi aṅụrị n'obodo anyị bụ Nigeria. Enwere m ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche, ya bụ ihe na-enye m obi aṅụrị. Ka m si chee, aka m na-ebido.
DJ KAYWISE. So those are the little circumstances that I faced, and a whole lot that I cannot even see on camera. I also got slapped, learning how to be a DJ. So but the good part, which I always tell people, is I'm here today is because I faced through all that. I got here today because I had to pass through all those phases in life to be better and to be stronger and to also stay more relevant in the industry. So also right now I have one of the biggest events, biggest concerts in Nigeria, even Africa as a DJ, and I have an academy, I have my own business, I have my own companies, I have a whole lot of things for myself. Those are the good things that I see and I say, oh yes, I've achieved. And for me, I don't even see them as that I've done things. I feel like I'm just starting, and it motivates me every day, to get better and be better and be stronger in the industry. The industry is not perfect. Is a work in progress, as in if I should put it that way. But individually, I think we all have a lot to play. in the industry, we all have to like start to build love between each other. Because while I started, there was nobody that was there for me. Let me just put it that way. Like nobody could say, yes, I did this for this boy. I put him on, you know. And I want to say big shout out to most of these artists signing the young kids right now, because you know it's very hard and difficult to have somebody to back you up. You know, you might have a talent, you might be the best DJ, but your best DJ will just be inside your room. You know, if you don't put out your materials, if there's no one to put out that talent in you, then it's going to be a waste. That's why you need God. That's why you need to pray a lot, so that God can also be part of your career and your dreams. You know, because you can't do it alone. You need God and you need people. And I think God can connect you to the right person. So, like always, I tell my...
Ebe a na-emepụta egwu adịbe ka o kwesịrị ịdị maka na aka na-arụ ya arụ. Onye ọbụla nwere ihe o kwesịrị ime ka ewe kwalite ya. Ọ bụrụ na gị bụ onye DJ ma ọ bụ onye na-emepụta egwu ma nke ọma, ọ bụrụ na ị pụtaghị nye ọha na eze ihe ị nwere, ọ nweghị onye ga-ahụ gị ka ị na-eme nke a. Ị kwesịkwara inwe ma chọọ ihu Chukwu na-ekpe ekpere, maka na ị gaghị emenwe ya n'onwe gị. Ka mmadụ anyị bụ, ị ga-eme ihe ị kwesịrị ime, maka na mgbe m na-amụ ime ihe DJ, ọ rara m ahụ nke ukwuu. Maka na agara m ebe ndị dị iche iche nke karịrị 26, ya bụ 60 days.
You know, from getting one little idea from this one to this one to this one to this one, till I now said, okay, yes, I'm fully okay, I can be posed to go and play out there. So I took it up to myself to start an academy, which is KAYWISE Academy now, and we've trained almost 60 to 100 DJs that have been, they're now doing well for themselves, you know. So if I had not said to myself that I want to add to the industry, then pretty much there will not be that kind of platform to help all these kids coming up, you know. So like I said, everybody has a part to play in the industry to make the industry grow. We are known globally now with the Afrobeat thinking and with the whole acceptance of African music, but still we still have a lot to do internally with our own industry to help each other and to also support the brands, the ones that you're seeing. And a lot of people are going to be coming. A lot of DJs are going to be coming, a lot of artists are going to be coming, so play your part and so that you can stay more. The female DJs, when I started, it was just, I can't even list. Yeah, I know Lambo, I know Nana. There are few, there were just few, you know. And even the artists, I think the industry is a male-dominated industry. That's what people are claiming. But I think the females are now standing up and now trying to fight for their brand, trying to fight for their own industry.
Ihe m chere ndị DJ ụmụ nwaanyị, mana mgbe m bidoro, naanị DJ ụmụ nwaanyị mma bụ DJ Lambo, DJ Nana, ha ebubeghị ibu, mana echere m na ebe a na-akụpụta egwu bụ ụmụ nwoke nọchiri ebe niile. Mana ilekwa anya ugbu a, ụmụ nwaanyị emesiwela ihe ike, na-esikwa ọnwụ n'egwu nke ugbu a. Obi bụ m sọ aṅụrị ka ha si agbara onwe ha mbọ. Ile anya ugbu a, anyị enwego DJ 6 ma ọ bụ 7. Ọ bụghị ihe dị mfe, mana onye ọbụla na-agba mbọ ịfụ na o so na ihe a na-eme.
7 DJs that I trained as a female, you know, through the academy, and I'm happy that I'm part of that progress. I'm part of how the female DJs can also be relevant and also get bookings, can also get recognized as the male DJ. It's not easy, but that's all I can say about that. Everybody's putting in work. The female DJs, you guys who also don't give up, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You know, the way they will book DJ KAYWISE is the same way they will book you if you're as good or even better at your craft. So that's all I can say about that.
Up till we they blow like a time bomb. I know say I know. It's in me
I think copyright issues right now, with the whole industry getting, like I said, we are progressing, we are getting better. Because way back then, there was no way I could get songs directly from artists, you know. It was either we go download it online or try find a way to get it, you know. As a DJ back like 9 years ago, I remember copying music illegally, like it's not proper. I didn't get the real master version, I didn't get the proper recording version. So I'll either copy it from a mix or copy it from...
Nṅomi egwu mmadụ n'etiti ndị na-akụ egwu ugbu a ma ọ bụ n'ebe a na-akụ egwu, ha na-agba mbọ hụ na ihe dị mma. Maka oge mbụ gara aga, o nweghị ka ị nweta egwu n'aka onye kụrụ ya. Ihe anyị na-eme mgbe ahụ bụ ije n'igwe ọlọrọ ọhụrụ gaa were egwu, ya bụ nke ndị a na-akpọ n'olu ndị iti download. maka na afọ itoolu gara aga DJ nwere ike were egwu onye ọzọ kụrụ na-adịghị mma maka ọ dị ugbu a ndị na-agụ egwu na-abịa nye anyị egwu ha n'onwe ha ma mee ka ọ na-enyere aka maka ebe ọbụla a kụrụ egwu ma n'obodo oyibo ka ọ dị anyị na-eje London, South Africa ebe niile egwu onye ahụ kụrụ na-adịrị onye ahụ ma ego onye ahụ nwetara na ya iji nweta ugwu n'egwu nke egụrụ n'onwe gị.
Places that whenever your music is played, you get royalties and you get money for that, you know, and the money will be taken from the DJs, maybe from his or salary or there's a way that they structure it, you know, outside the country. So I think we're getting there and the industry is getting wider and broader and it's even helping us DJs. When we put out our own music, we get royalties from it. When we put out our own mixtapes, we get royalties from it. So all those things is what I'm happy about, and I'm happy to be part of this movement, and I'm excited about the Nigerian music industry in the nearest future. I think you can get, the thing is, you can get royalties from your music, your own sound. Like, and I've put out a lot of music with Tiwa Savage, Davido, I'm working with Davido person. Put out a lot of music with Tiwa Savage, with Olamide, and a whole lot of artists, Mr. Easy, and a whole lot of artists. You know, yeah, I get royalties from those music, and I get paid for it, you know, because it's my sound. But if it's not your sound...
Agwala m ọtụtụ egwu, mana Tiwa Savage, Davido na Tenny, mana Tiwa Savage, Olamide, Mr. Easy, ma ndị na-agaghị agụta ọnụ agụwa egwu. Enwetakwara m ego m ugwu n'egwu ahụ, mana akwụkwara m ụgwọ maka na-egwu m. Obi dị m ụtọ maka ndị DJ ndị ọzọ na-agba mbọ ịhụ na egwu ha tụrụ ụwa niile ọnụ. Maka a na-enye ihe nrite, anaghị agụnye ndị na-eme DJ maka ikwu maka ihe nrite ahụ. Ọ bụghị onye ọbụla ga-enweta ya. N'uche nke m bụ ka ndị na-ahazi ihe nrite mara ndị kwesịrị inweta ya. Nke a ga-eme onye o ruru nweta ya, ọ ga-ama na otu ziri inweta ya.
We are all fighting for that. But right now, they're recognizing some DJs. Yes, it's not everybody, but at least recognizing the DJ term is a good thing, you know, for all of us in the industry. And also, each DJs, they are doing tours. I'm doing tours around the world. I'm traveling around the world to promote Nigerian music, to promote African music, and it's a win-win for everybody. So every DJ needs to put in work in his or her career so that we can all get recognized and all make money.